many of the courts. We've seen, for example, at the First District Court of Appeal, where the last governor was able to appoint a significant number of judges, absolute disarray in that court. There's one judge who's the subject of the Judicial Qualifications Commission. They're seeking to see whether he should be disciplined or removed from the bench because of his criticism of a decision by one of the other judges on the court. The First District Court of Appeal is the court in Tallahassee that hears most appeals from PERC. The First District Court of Appeal has not been friendly to labor union issues. And just recently, in one of the most major decisions we've had on a PERC case, reversed PERC's finding of an unfair labor practice in Winter Springs. So, we've got to get the politics right. Now, in just a few more minutes that I have, I want to mention the handout you have. President Carter wanted you to see it because it came from a presentation to the Labor and Employment Law section of the Florida Bar at an annual seminar that's done regarding public sector labor issues. It was invited by Mike Mattimore, who's the governor's labor lawyer, and me to try to put together a fairly objective, where it wasn't two advocates advocating a particular position, but an attempt to make a fairly objective analysis of the law in light of having to face these underfunding issues. So I commend you to the materials, so go ahead and read them. But what Laura and I did was we knew when we were coming to the convention that we wanted to add some things that we might not want to share with the other side. So we have tweaked it a little bit to give you some suggestions that maybe we didn't necessarily share with the other side.